Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on the ZTE Blade V15. So now you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now choose child or teenager and then click next. Now click add or create account for your child and then click on Google. Now you have to enter your child email address. And click next. And now you have to enter your password, and let me do that off screen. Now you have to click I agree. Now click more and accept. Now click on your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And now let me enter password. Now click on more. Scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now you have to click allow. Now click next. And here scroll all the way down and then click next. Now click next again, and here you can install Family Link, or you can skip this step and then simply install Family Link manually. And now just click on review controls, and here is a control panel of your parental control. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.